Hey champs, I'm Rakesh and you're watching Coding Champs.
I just wanna go to the deep end. I just wanna go.
So guys, before starting the video, let me clear you one thing. Today's video will be in English, completely in English, and the reason is some people have commented in my video that my Hindi is not that good, okay? And yes, I agree, and there is a reason. The reason behind it is I belong to Odisha. I have born and brought up in Odisha, so definitely I don't have that fluency in my Hindi and also in my English. Definitely I agree my English is not that good, but yes, I will try my level best to deliver the best of my English. So guys, in today's video I have 5 things for you all, okay? I have 5 things for you all. What are the first thing that we will be discussing is the result date of 5th and 7th sem students, okay? The second thing is the exam date and the schedule date of 1st and 3rd sem students, okay? Here goes the second thing. The third thing is we will be discussing and I will be solving some doubts and problems of students regarding the provisional certificate, okay? Because till now many people haven't got their provisional certificate yet, so definitely that's some issue that students are facing. So definitely I will try to solve that issue in today's video. So here comes the fourth one. In fourth one we will be discussing about some students, those kind of students who have got the backlog in recent online exams, and means some student who haven't attended the exam due to some reason, means the reason maybe vary from person to person, but that's some issue. So we'll be discussing on that, and we'll be discussing about how the exam will be conducted for them and when their exam will be conducted and when and how they can give the exam, okay? In fifth and the last thing is we'll be talking about special exam. There are some issues, there are some doubts about special exam, so we'll be clearing about that. So guys, before getting into details, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do subscribe it, press the bell icon, and if possible then do share it with your friends and family, okay guys? So guys, without wasting much time, let's start our video. But before that, one last thing is, I think many of you know we have a separate channel in the name of Tech Facts in Hindi, okay? And the latest video is published now. You can check that. The link is available in the description, okay guys? And the video is completely based on OS. OS means on human. And in that video I have shared some interesting and most amazing facts about our human body, and trust me, that video is really very amazing, so you all must check that out. So guys, without wasting much time, let's start our video. So guys, our first thing is the result date of 5th and 7th sem students, okay? So guys, most of the students have given their exam and still they're waiting for the result, okay? So guys, here I want to mention that BPUT never give a notice for result, okay? They directly publish the result in their site. So till now there is no result available in the BPUT website, okay? And as they don't publish any notice, so there is no confirmation about the result. Only we can predict when the result will come, okay? So here is the prediction. In 2 to 3 days, okay, in upcoming 2 to 3 days you will get your result, 5th and 7th sem students, or else before 25th of Jan you will get your result, okay? It is damn sure before 25th of December, sorry, before 25th of January you will get your result, okay? In upcoming 2 to 3 days or before 25th of January, okay guys? So I have cleared the first doubt. If you still have any doubt, then do use the comment box, okay? So here let's move on to the second one. The second one is the exam and the schedule date of 1st and 3rd sem student, okay? So here I want to say that I have already mentioned a lot of times in my videos that 3rd sem and the 1st sem students exam will be held on March 8, okay? On 8th of March the 1st and 3rd sem exam will be held, okay? It is already mentioned in the academic calendar. If you haven't checked that, then you can check that in BPUT website. And regarding the schedule will be out before 25th of February, okay? The schedule will be out before 25th of February. So till now there is no schedule, there is no notice regarding that. So stay tuned. If BPUT publish any notice regarding that, then definitely I am here to help you. I will explain each and everything of that notice, okay guys? And one more thing is, here one question definitely will be arising in your mind: how the exam will be? So guys, let me clear you one thing. There is no confirmation, but still there is chances of online exam, and in my point of view it is 60 and 40, okay? 60 is online and 40 is offline. Why I am saying so? I am saying so because, you know, if you watch my video regularly, then you must know BPUT have published a notice some days before. BPUT have published a notice that all odd sem exam will be conducted in online mode, okay? And for that notice I am saying the exam will be in online mode and the chances is 60%. Okay, so why I am saying 40% for offline exam? I am saying so because you guys have already known that final year students, okay, final year students are already going to the college have been reopened for them, and soon we will also go to our college. Okay, for us the college will reopen soon, so definitely if college will reopen, then there is chances of offline exam. Okay, and for that reason I am saying 40% for offline exam and 60% for online exam. Okay guys, so guys, now we are done with the second one. Let's move to the third one. The third one is there are some students who haven't given the online exam, okay, due to some issue like network error or some personal issue might be there. So due to some issues, there are some students who haven't given the online exam, and there are some students who have still backlog in the recent online exam. Okay, so there are a lot of questions on their mind, how their exam will be held, when their exam will be held. So let me clear all these things today. So guys, those who have backlog or those who haven't given the online exam, so for you all I am saying that the exam will not held now. Okay, the exam will not held now. When the exam will held? So the exam will be held with the regular student. Okay, after some days, when regular student will give their exam, with them you will give your exam. Okay, that might be in online mode or offline mode. Okay, that depends on situation. So with regular exam, with regular students, you have to give your exam. Okay, and for you all, no other exams will be held now. Okay guys, so guys, I hope the third question is cleared. So let's move on to the fourth one. So fourth one is the provisional certificate. Okay, so guys, there are lots of questions in students mind regarding the provisional certificate. Okay, so I will clear all the things in today's video. So what are those doubts? There are some students who haven't got their provisional certificate yet. Okay, so there is a confusion in their mind that is provisional certificate available now, or it is means there is some delay in BPTC website, or in our college they are not providing us. So guys, the confirmation is people have already got their provisional certificate. Okay, those students who haven't got the certificate, do contact your college immediately so that you will get your certificate within time. Okay, because lots of people, okay, means in my knowledge, maximum to maximum 90% students have got their provisional certificate. If you haven't got the provisional certificate, to mention it in the comment box. Okay guys, so guys, in my knowledge 90% students have got their provisional certificate, so do contact your college immediately. Okay guys, so here comes another doubt, that is about the password. Okay, so guys, for password, to contact your college will inform you, your college will aware you about the password. They will give you the password, and with that password you can easily log into your account and you will be getting your provisional certificate shortly. Okay, if you are not getting the password, then do immediately contact your college. Okay guys, means without your college you can't do anything. Okay, it is your college, it is the responsibility of your college to provide you the provisional certificate. Okay guys, so if means the college is not doing so, then means you have to put pressure on them, so do it by yourself. Okay guys, so provisional certificate, any other issue, then do mention it in the comment box. I will clear that in the next video. Okay, so here comes the last thing, that is fifth one, special exam. So special exam, so guys BPT have clearly mentioned it in its notice that no special exam will be conducted for any student. Okay, in online mode especially, no special exam will be conducted. Okay, so guys, there will be no special exam. If you have backlog, then wait for the exam of regular student. With regular student you will be giving your exams. Okay, so there will be no special exams. Okay guys, so guys, why they are not conducting the special exam? So guys, you might be thinking in online exam, if they will conduct the online exam, then definitely it will very beneficial for the students. Okay, but one more thing is BPT is not conducting the exam itself. Rather, it is means BPT have given its list to a private company, that is Coemt EduTech Private Limited. Okay, and that private company of Haryana, that is Haryana based private company Coemt EduTech Private Limited, he is conducting your exam. Okay, he is conducting your online exam. Okay, so guys, you must be aware of this thing is online exam. In online exam the cost is high. Okay, because BPT have to pay a lot of amount to that company to conduct the exams. Okay, and now they're conducting each and every exam in online mode, so definitely expenditure is high. With money, time is also a factor. Okay, because you guys must be knowing all the schedule is published and the exams are scheduled already. Okay, after 5th and 7th students exam, the second phase online exam is going to be held on January 18. Okay, after that gets over, the first and third sem students exam will be continuing. Okay, and after that gets over, the rest of the students exam will be continuing. So that's why there is no time between to conduct the special exam. So that's why it may be a factor for not conducting the special exam. So just keep it in mind, there will be no special exam for you, so you have to wait for the regular students exam. Okay guys, so guys, I think I have cleared all the doubts, all the 5 things I have covered in this video. But with that, if you have any doubt, then do use the comment box. Never hesitate to ask me any question. I always try to reply as soon as possible. With comment box, you can follow me in social media handles like Instagram or join our Telegram channel. There also you can ask your question. Okay guys, and guys, the link of the new channel is in the description box. Do check that video. Definitely you will enjoy that. Okay guys, so guys, one last thing is, today's video was in English, so let me know how was the video. And okay, that's all. So if you like the video, then give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do subscribe it, press the bell icon, and if possible, then make a share for your brother with your friend and family. Okay guys, so guys, this is all for today. Let's see you in a new and fresh video. Till then, take care, bye bye, love you all, Jai Hind.